rocking a hat I found when I was moving stuff. It's pretty comfortable. Talking about NASA discovering a bunch of planets. They call them exoplanets. I'm not sure. A 7-planet system orbiting another star. That 3 of them are likely to have water. They're rocky planets based off of an estimation they took through observing the size and guessing the density, And through that method, they determined that they have rocky planets, and I forget what kind of atmosphere they have, but it's not breathable by our standards, but they are firmly in the habitable zone. Habitable. I smoked too many blunts to my homeboy when he got here today. Habitable zone for us humans, which is exciting because 7 potential planets, depending on the atmospheric conditions, we could live on all of them. At least 3 of them right now is what they're saying. This presents an interesting opportunity, according to a researcher whose name I also forget, that we can study this over the next decade. In 2018, they're launching a space probe to take deeper studies of this whole thing. This was done using an infrared telescope that's out of power of a sort. They use nitrogen or some shit. Again, done smoked way too many blunts. But it's out of power, and it's using infrared, which is very good to measure this star system because the star's best light wave, the light wave that it puts out very in the strongest fashion is infrared. So having an infrared telescope that we could use to measure this was the best telescope possible, or so I've read. And to me, this is pretty mind-blowing. Exoplanets, planets outside of our rock hurtling through space that possibly we could live on. Maybe there's something else there already. Wouldn't that be bananas? Who knows? There's a lot of things we could study. What's exciting to me, on just beyond my dummy theory, I don't think they're theories, my dummy ideas, is the prospect of just being able to study another solar system in a more concrete manner, that using this probe that's out of power in a sort, and they can use the camera still. It's not out of power, it's out of coolant, and it's overheating. I misspoke, I just remembered that. But it's still stuck and can only use the infrared cameras. But as much as this sounds like some sort of sci-fi novel, this is an exciting opportunity. Anyways, everybody, you can see the links in the description. Oh! I just knocked 2 dab choppers over. Oh!